Hello guys, this is Pritam from Epic How To. Today I'll show you how to solve a Rubik cube. So let's start. Okay guys, so at first you have to learn about the sides and the notations. So this is the red side, this is the white side, this is the green, yellow, orange and blue. And you have to remember that white is always opposite of the yellow, as blue is always opposite of the green, and orange is always opposite of the red. As there is a center cube is red, so the color of this side is red, as well as the color of this side is green, this side is orange, this side is blue, this side is yellow, and this side is white. And this is the edge pieces. Okay, and this is the corner pieces. For solving the cube, you have to understand the notations. Alright, this is up, this is up inverted, this is right, and this is right inverted. This is left, this is left inverted. This is front, and this is front inverted. And same for the down, that is down and down inverted. Alright, so let's start solve the cube. Okay, so at first you have to match one top side of any color, that may be orange, yellow, blue, red or white. So I'll choose the green. Okay, and to match this you have to find a cross here, that you have to find a green cross here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, now the green cross is here. Now you have to keep in mind that while matching those edge pieces, you have to match the other color of the edge pieces with the color of the respective sides, that there is red red, white white, orange orange and yellow yellow. Okay, now you have to match the corner pieces. So if you match this corner piece, you have to find three color corner piece, that is green, red and white. So where is the corner piece? Here, that is red, green and white. Now you have to do this theorem, that is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, now this is in the wrong orientation. Continue this process until this is done. Okay, so let's do this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now this is done, and red is on the red side and white is on the white side. Okay, so now all the corner pieces is in the right place and right orientation, that is yellow, red, white and orange. And you will see that you have solved the top layer and the first layer of the cube. Okay, now flip this cube. Now find a straight line of any color. Okay, so this is red and you have to see the other color of the edge piece. This is red and white. So white is in the left side of red and this piece will go in here. So you have to move this piece from here to here. So you have to do this theorem, that is up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. And now the piece is here. You have to continue this process for all the sides. Okay, this is orange and white and you have to move this piece to the left side. So we have to do this theorem again, that is up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted, and the edge piece is here. If the other color of the edge piece is on the right side, then you have to follow this theorem, not the left one, it's another for the right one, that is up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Look, this is in the right place. Okay, so now the second layer of the cube is complete. Okay, now you have to find a backward L or a line or a dot of the top color, and now here is the dot. So hold from any direction and do this theorem. Alright, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and you will find a backward L, that is here. So hold from this side and face the L away from you. Alright, it is away from you, and do this front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted and front inverted. So here is the line, a horizontal line. So you have to hold the line horizontally of you and do this theorem again, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted and front inverted. Alright, so here is the blue cross, and now you have to find two matching sides, that means two matching straight lines, that is here orange and white. Alright, and the red and yellow are not matched. So if you want to match these two, you have to hold one matching side away from you and one is on your right side. So by holding this, you have to do this theorem, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, right inverted, up, Alright, so now all the straight lines are matched. Okay, so now you have to fix those corner pieces. For fixing the corner pieces, you have to find one corner piece in the right place and wrong orientation or right orientation. That doesn't matter for the orientation, but it must be in the right place. Alright, so in this case I have no corner pieces in the right place. Okay, so hold the cube in any position and do this theorem: up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, so now you have one corner piece in the right place and right orientation. Alright, and the other three are scrambled. So hold this right placed corner cube towards you and do this theorem again. That is up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Alright, okay, do this again: up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, left, inverted. Okay, now these two are in the right place and right orientation, and these two are in the right place but wrong orientation. So all you have to do is hold this piece, this corner piece towards you and do this theorem. Okay, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, now this piece has matched, and now just move the top layer one time. Okay, now do this again: right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, and just click this and the cube is solved. Alright, that is for today. If you loved this video, please like and subscribe, or if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section in the below.